Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing how you can make $2 every 2 minutes. This is gonna be PayPal money. So before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to teach you how you can make $2 every 2 minutes. This is going to be PayPal money. With this kind of money, you need to put the hours if you want to make money online. You're not gonna get rich. Chances are that this is not gonna replace your full-time income if you have a career right now. So if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I mean real money, something that can replace your full-time job. Even you can make 2x what you're currently making at your full-time job right now, or 3 times what you're making at your full-time job, even more, right? Passive income, even while you travel, while you sleep, while you're enjoying the time, with your family. I'm gonna leave the link below. It's gonna be the very first link in the description. That's gonna be my number one recommendation. But as I mentioned before, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $2 every 2 minutes, and this is going to be PayPal money. So if you need some extra cash, okay, you need to go to validatelead.com. Okay, validatelead.com. This is a website in which you are gonna validate. You're gonna check out the user experience. Let me show you which are the companies that are using this website right now. So as you can see, it's Google, Amazon, Web.com, Infor, Allstate, Microsoft, Twilio. And they do have more customers. So this is a reliable company. This is a real good chat bot, the help bot. This is actually here. The bot is asking me right now, like, do I want to earn money? Yeah, we want to earn money. We're going to go there in a second. Are we thinking of buying? We are not going to validate your website, but if you have one and you want to check out how good it performs, the website and the app, you can go here. If we need some help, if we are just browsing. So you can click here where it says want to earn money on the chat bot, or you can here where it says panel. Let me minimize this. Here on panel, you're going to click here where it says get paid to test. Okay, get paid to test. If you want to do some extra because, hey, you don't have a job right now, you can check out the careers. But what I'm going to show you right now is get paid to test. Okay, you're going to land on this page. Again, you're going to test websites. You're also going to be testing apps, and you're going to make money. Yeah, it's that simple. Once you're ready, you're going to click here where it says start making money. Again, there are thousands of websites or, reliable companies who are using this service like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, Allstate. And how does it work? Well, you make money for every test you take. Really easy. You're going to be asked, to complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts about it, right? And answer a couple of questions. Again, it can be about a website or an app. And number one, you need to sign up. Yeah, you need to create your account. Okay, they're going to ask you questions like, what's the computer that you're currently using? It is a Chromebook, it is a Linux, it is a Mac, it is a Windows computer. If you're using a Windows computer, they're going to ask you like, what's the Windows version that you're currently using? So it can be Windows 7, 8, or 10. They ask you like, because, you are going to be able to test apps as well. Like, what's the mobile device that you currently have? It is an iOS, Android, other. Okay, those are the questions. Then the second step, once you create your account, is that you are going to start receiving emails with offering, for this kind of gigs in which you need to provide feedback and you're going to get paid. And the third step is that you're going to get paid. You will be paid for every test you successfully complete. And that's it. So pretty simple. Here are a couple of frequent asking questions. What do you need to get started? What do you need to have a computer with a microphone or an Apple or Android smartphone for mobile studies? Remember that I told you that those are kind of the questions that they're going to ask you whenever you register. You must use Google Chrome. So if you're using Firefox, you will need to download Google Chrome. If you're using Opera, or I don't know, if for some reason you're using Internet Explorer, that's not going to work. You need to have high-speed internet connection. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have the ability to communicate in English. And you must have a PayPal account. Why? Because you're going to get paid through PayPal. Okay. How often are new tests available? Well, tests are available daily. Not every tester matches the criteria for every test, so you might be notified about available tests less frequently. Okay, what does it mean? Like, if you have a Mac computer and everybody is checking on how their website is performing on a Windows computer, right? They are not going to send you the offer because you don't have a Windows computer, you have a Mac computer. The same, if you have an iPhone, but maybe you don't have an Android device, and they want someone who review an Android app, they're not going to send you the notification because you don't have the equipment that they require. So that's it. How much money are you going to make and how are you going to get paid? Well, payments vary, based on the test. However, many of the studies pay in the range of $100 for a live remote search season, and all the payments are processed through PayPal within 7 business days on completing the test. So that's it. So it's really easy, really simple. My suggestion is to visit the frequent asking question page. Okay, let me show you why. Okay, depending on the country you're going to check out the tax information. Okay, you're going to check out the tester participating guidelines, right? But one of the videos that I really like, because these are actually videos, is this one. Okay, I want to make sure I get paid. Are there tips for completing a good quality talk aloud? So this is actually a great video. I suggest you to go ahead and check it out. Okay, also this one, because remember that you're going to be a tester. Like, do I always need to speak out loud? Let me tell you, not always. Okay. How long do my recording response need to be? This actually is another great video, but this actually depends on the gig that you're gonna do. Okay, so remember that this is actually PayPal money. These are pretty simple tasks. You don't need to be a pro. You don't need to have a high school degree. They're gonna ask you like about your education, like if you have some kind of education. That's part of the questions that you're gonna need to answer whenever you decide to create your account. But you don't need to have any kind of technical skills. You just need to have the right equipment. So if you have a Mac computer, you have an Android device, or you have an iOS, iPhone, okay, you're gonna have more possibilities. Okay, remember that you're gonna get paid every 7 days after you finish the test. It's PayPal money. It's really easy, really simple. But if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, passive income, have a full-time income that is going to change and it's going to replace your full-time job, remember that I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Well, if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area below and I'll be more than happy to answer it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.